In this video, we are going to make a very simple natural spray that helps keep pests away from your vegetable plants. If you do a bit of gardening, you must have seen those tiny insects slowly eating your leaves and spoiling the plant. It feels bad, especially after putting in so much effort. But instead of using strong chemicals, we can make something at home that is much safer and still quite useful. The idea here is not to kill everything in one go, but to protect the plant in a gentle and steady way. This kind of spray works best when you start early, before the problem gets too big. All the ingredients we are using are easily available and also safe for the soil and plants. So first, we take 1 liter of non-pasteurized milk. Raw milk works better here because it has natural properties that help the plant fight off certain problems. Pour that into a bigger container and then add around 3 liters of water. Mix it nicely so the milk spreads properly in the water. After that, we add about 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you might think, why sugar? But it actually helps a lot. It supports good microbes and also helps the spray stick better on the leaves. Just mix it well until it dissolves completely. Don't rush this part, make sure everything blends nicely. Next, we add around 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Turmeric is something we all know from the kitchen, but it also works well in the garden. It has natural properties that help keep pests away and also protect the plant from some diseases. Once you add it, give it a good mix so there are no lumps and it spreads evenly. Now, we prepare the Hing solution separately. Take a small container with a little water and add about 10 grams of asafoetida, which we call Hing. The smell is quite strong, and that is exactly what helps in keeping pests away. Mix it really well in the water. It may take a little time to dissolve, so just keep stirring until it blends as much as possible. Pour that water into the main container with milk, sugar, and turmeric. Now, give everything a final good mix. At this point, your spray is ready. You can now fill it into a spray bottle or any garden sprayer you have. While spraying, make sure you cover both sides of the leaves. Many pests hide under the leaves, so that part is very important. Try to spray either in the morning or in the evening when the sun is not too harsh. This helps the plant absorb it better and avoids any leaf damage. One thing to keep in mind is that this is a mild spray. It is not like chemical pesticides that show instant results. This works slowly, so you need to be a little regular with it. If the pest attack is already very heavy, then this may not be enough on its own. That's why it is always better to start using it as soon as you notice small signs like tiny holes in leaves or a few insects here and there. If you use it regularly, you will start seeing that your plants stay healthier and pest problems reduce over time. It also helps the plant stay strong, which naturally makes it less attractive to pests. And the best part is, you are not adding any harmful chemicals to your vegetables. This kind of natural method is very useful for home gardens, where we want clean and safe food. It doesn't cost much, it is easy to make, and you can prepare it anytime. Just try it once and see how your plants respond. With a little care and regular use, you can manage pests in a simple and natural way without depending on strong sprays.